So just first part of the question, what do you think we're going to see in terms of a death toll and injury toll from this vaccine, so-called?
Let's say here's what we know. Joseph Freeman and his colleagues, including Peter Doshi, did an evaluation of Pfizer's own safety data from its safety trials. And these trials were absurdly short. In fact, Pfizer only allowed 1 month before it vaccinated its controls and made it impossible to detect further harms. And what they found was a 1 in 800 rate of serious adverse event. This is not minor stuff. This is serious harm to health. 1 in 800 per shot. That's not per person. That's per shot. 1 in 800 rate, which in 1 month, that suggests a very high mortality risk. And in fact, we saw mortality in the safety trials. What happens over the long term? We've certainly seen such a range of pathologies that have crippling effects on people's health that I shudder to think how many people have actually.
So I'm not a math genius, but 1 in 800 shots times billions is, a lot of people.
Yep. There was I was recently at a conference in Romania on the COVID crisis. And so there was a lot of work trying to unpack what we actually understand. And I saw a credible estimate of something like 17 million deaths globally from this technology. So
17 million deaths from the COVID vax?
Well, when you scale up to billions, it's not hard to reach a number like that with a technology this dangerous. Now, to your deeper question, I think let's steel man.
So just for perspective, that's like the death toll of a global war.
Yes, absolutely. This is a great tragedy of history. So that proportion.